What's good, YouTube? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share. Now today we have a lot of work to do to this 05 Accord. I'm gonna try my best to walk you through the process of this shit. Know what I mean? So let's get it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do some body work. Well, I started here, but I didn't get the time to finish it. I'm basically gonna prep it for paint, and you can do this at home. You don't have to go to a body shop to pay thousands of dollars just to get these small fender wheel wells fixed up. The issue I had with the car, the rockers were all bad, so I had to take this off. I think it's called the side skirt. I had to take the side skirt off and welded all that stuff back together so that it could pass safety. The safety inspection. Now that that's the way I have the safety inspection on the car, I just need to do some more stuff to the car. It's just the time, right? So yeah, I'm gonna prep this with some wet sand in, put some more body filler on it, make sure it's nice, like the I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay, the body line. I'm trying to get the body line to be as close as possible. This flat surface right here. So I'm gonna put some body fill, get those edges out and prime it, and then hopefully tomorrow I can spray it. The rain is coming now, so that's good. At least it's not, the sun is not shining. It was hot as hell earlier. So I'm gonna change the rear stabilizer links and the front left upper ball joint. Oh, on this side is worse. I'm not trying to make the car perfect. It's a winter beater, so I'm just making it, a bit friendly. I don't know if you noticed, but I also have a 2012 Honda Civic Si. This is going in storage soon. Yeah, that's my G, you know what I mean? So, and this is, look, I love Hondas, so this should do it. So I'm just gonna start working now. I'm gonna get my tripod stand, and hopefully I can get one side done before the rain comes. Let's get it. So now I'm back with this thing. So the stuff you'll need, I'm just improvising because I'm just using what I have. Like I said, I'm not trying to make this perfect, but you can do it yourself at home, or in a parking lot. So yes, where was I? Oh, let's get it. So now sandpaper and 600 grit sandpaper, right? You're gonna need your body fill. It also has the hardener in it. You're gonna need this. So now I'm gonna use the 80 grit. Now I'm about to mix the body fill so I can get that nice. I don't need a lot for now. I'm just gonna get out. That should do it. I think that's too much either way, but okay. Now just always use a small bead across the amount of body fill you're using. So you just go like this, bam. You just draw it along across like this. That should do it. Now we're going to use this to add the thing to it. This is what I should have used to mix it, but even spreads. I think I missed a spot, but now to remove the body fill, you just go like this. That's how easy it is to remove.
Two church group people. We're in my church member them, but then in a group or something.
unfortunately, this is how the video ends here. I forgot to buy the primer, so tomorrow I'm gonna do another video of me priming the car. And also I'm gonna try and spray it also. So stay tuned. Peace.